Hey guys, it's Ryan from Hells Estate Agents. I'm on Branksome Drive in Salford M6 to show you this 3-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see, it's nearing towards the end of Branksome Drive, onto the bottom end of the wall. It's got a driveway to the front, providing off-road parking along with the garage. Let's take a look inside. So as we go into the property, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway. On your right, it opens up to a really good size family lounge. Towards the rear, we've got the dining room. Then we have a fitted kitchen just through here as well. This provides access to the garden at the back. As you can see, it's nicely presented, benefiting from decking and later lawn grass as well. The property benefits from being situated on a popular, quiet estate with an easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. As we head upstairs, from the landing you'll find 3 bedrooms. Third just through here, currently in use as an office. And then we have 2 double bedrooms. The main bedroom benefiting from the bay window. And finally, we have this lovely modern 3-piece bathroom. Properties on this development are always very popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.